Construction Bay in the Yukon. It's actually part of Kluane Lake. A big mountain. Really pretty though. Very wide, very expansive. Probably wouldn't want to swim across it.
Stop. What the price of gas? This is neat. Complete with dog. So we just came back out, and the lady inside tells us this is one of the original cabins built by the U.S. Army in 1942, and she said that the signatures of the builders are inside on the wall in there. They redid the wall. It's interesting. As I was saying before the batteries went dead, today's weather is partly cloudy. A slight chance of rain. And we have just left Junction 37 services where we spent the night in a cabin / hotel type room. Pour a gas can in the rain.
Come on. You can see the town.